Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine. In this lecture, I will give you short introduction related to future tense. Previous lecture was related to present and past tense. So let's have a look on future tense. Tense is related to future plannings. Future tenses are future simple, future indefinite tense, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. Look here. Future simple tense, first form is used, will and shall helping verb is used, and future indefinite tense is used for the action planned or unplanned for future. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि गे गा गी and examples are we shall go to Islamabad, he will work hard. In simple words, you are making future planning for in the simple future indefinite tense, simple future tense. In simple future tense, we are using going to, not going to, like I'm going to do that work, or I will not going to do this work. Will and shall is used, and am going to is also used for the future simple tense. For example, I'm not going to do that work, right? There are a couple of examples. We shall go to Islamabad, he will work hard. The other examples of future indefinite tense is we will visit to, we shall or will visit to zoo, he will work hard, they will not do so, will you take tea. And first form of verb is used in the future simple tense. To make negative sentences, you will put not with the helping verb, and for the interrogative, you will put helping verb at the start of the sentence. Clear? Now move on the next tense, which is future continuous tense. Future continuous is used when actions you think will or will not be continuing in future, and उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये है कि रहा हूँगा, रही होंगी, and obviously use is first form of verb with the in future continuous tense, and ing is used with the verb, like he will be writing a letter. Shall be, will be is used, helping verb. Clear? And some other examples are I shall be learning a poem, he will be writing a letter, she will not be doing anything, will they be taking bath, will you be using cold drink, we shall be going for a walk. Other example, maybe they will be playing football, and when you change into negative, they will not be playing football, we shall not be going for a walk, I shall not be learning a poem. And when you make interrogative, you will put shall and will at the start of the sentence. Will they be playing football? Shall we be going for a walk? Clear? Only this is very simple. First form of verb is used and ing is used with the future continuous tense, and shall be, will be, helping verb is used. Next, move to the next tense, which is future perfect tense. In the future perfect tense, second form of verb is used, shall have, will have, helping verb is used, and the actions and when it is used, future perfect is used, action actions you think will or will not have begun in future. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये कि चुका हूँगा, चुकी होंगी. And examples may be I shall have written a letter, he will have taken tea, she will not have washed her face, will the lion have devoured all the sheep. This is also very simple. In future perfect tense, you will use second form of verb. Shall have, will have, helping verb is used. एंड उसकी पहचान आपने कैसे करनी है. चुका हूँगा फ्यूचर प्लानिंग होती है. चुका हूँगा, चुकी होंगी. एग्जाम्पल्स आप खुद से भी बना सकते हैं. आई शैल हैव रिटन अ लेटर. Next, we will move to the last tense, which is future perfect continuous tense. For and since is used in the future perfect continuous tense. Will have been, shall have been is used, helping verb. And the actions you think will or won't be have started and will be continuing. रहा हूँगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान है. And the examples may be I shall have been reading for an hour. The other examples may be it will have been raining since morning. I shall have been reading for an hour. They will have been playing since morning. It will not have been raining since night. Will the peon have been ringing the bell for 2 minutes? I hope you understand the lecture and completely um, you you can make sentences using these rules, guidelines. Thank you and have a nice day.